What's up, everybody? Derek here, and after a hard day of work, I came down to the creek. As you see right there, it looks money right now, but I'm coming down here with a spinning reel and these right here, Uncle Bucks Panfish creatures. As you see, those things, they're basically just little crawfish on like a 1/16 ounce jig, but I wanted to come down with this color and see what I could do in this creek. It looks money, so hopefully I catch some panfish and some bass. I have no idea, but let's give these things a try. All right, this is it. I actually like the way this thing looks. It's almost got like a pearl white on the top of it and the green underneath. So I don't know if this thing's gonna catch them, but it sure looks like it probably will. So let's see what'll bite. Ooh, this is sketchy. This is sketchy. Hopefully this thing don't break. Oh, how cool would that be if I caught one? Man, I am way up here now that I'm thinking about it. Ooh, I had a bite right there. Huh. Got it that time. Ooh, that's a good one. Yeah, red breast. Just sitting up there waiting. Nice. Thanks, buddy. I am so high up here. Let's see if another one will hit. Oh, got another hit right there. Let's see. Oh, I had a hit. Had a hit. There's a ton of fish down there. I can see them. Yep. So what I gotta do is get it way over there. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I see some bass down in there too. Got one. No! He came off. Come on, flop back in there, buddy. Yeah, there he goes. Dang. And I had one too. I am seriously swimming that thing. Oh, there was a hit. There, oh, there was another hit right there. Oh, bass got it. Bass attacked on it. He came out of nowhere over there and just slammed it. That was cool. Nice. Oh, bud. Let me get you in a little deeper water here. There you go. Perfect. That was cool. Wonder if I can get it right over there. Oh, there was something that nailed it right there. Oh, another fish came. This is like the perfect spot up here. They can't really see me, so I'm kind of around the corner on this backside. So if one decides to hit it over there in that deep stuff, nailed it right there. Come on up here, buddy. Nice. This thing is tearing them up. Dang, I'm way up here. I gotta get over there. Quite the walk. All right, here we go, right here. Let's see if there's any fish right here. Right in this current. Good little hole right there. Oh, I had a bite right there. There's some fish down in there. It's a tropical looking little green sunfish look like. Got one. What is this? Yes, got one. He slammed that craw. Got him. Nice. Man, they're down in there. Is that a red breast? Yep. Nice. This is fun. This little craw catches them. No pinchers broken off. We doing good. Oh, got one right there. I don't know what it is. Is that a bass? Nope. Green sunfish. No, red breast. Nice. Oh, got a fish on the back side of that log. Ha, that was cool. Oh, this is a pretty one. Real pretty one. Dang. Look at those colors on that one. All right, I came back over to this spot where I caught quite a few. See if they might be biting again. See if they might want this thing. Got one. Yep, they still biting over there. Ooh, this is a pretty one. Not as many oranges, but got blues in it. Thanks, buddy. Got that one. Yeah, they down in there. Nice. See, this one's got a little bit more orange in that last one. Thanks, buddy. Oh, ouch. Sorry. Well, guys, coming down to this creek after work was definitely a success today. This little Uncle Bucks panfish creature, this little bitty craw thing, was just catching all kinds of fish. They couldn't resist it seemed like. And I thought it might be just a little bit too big, but nope, that wasn't the case. Bass, panfish, all wanted it. So I had fun. I like little trips like this after work on the way home and dropping by awesome little creeks like this. But thanks for watching, you guys, and subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.